In today's video, I am going to teach you how to work with multiple worksheets in Excel. To begin, look at the tab bar at the bottom left corner of your Excel screen. This is where Excel displays each worksheet in your workbook. If you are working with more than one sheet, this area makes it easy to move between them and keep your file organized. Taking a moment to get familiar with the tab bar will help you manage your worksheets more efficiently. Next, click the plus sign next to your existing tab to insert a new worksheet. As soon as you click it, Excel will create a fresh blank sheet for you. This is useful when you want to separate different types of information into their own sections instead of keeping everything on one sheet. Using multiple worksheets can make a workbook much easier to read and maintain. Once the new worksheet appears, double-click the tab named Sheet 2 at the bottom left of the screen. By default, Excel gives new worksheets simple names like Sheet 1, Sheet 2, or Sheet 3. These names work temporarily, but they are not very helpful when you are trying to find specific information later. Renaming your sheet makes your workbook clearer and more professional. Now type a new name for the worksheet. Choose a name that describes what the sheet will contain. A clear worksheet name can save time, especially if your workbook grows and includes several tabs. Keeping your naming simple and descriptive is a good habit that will help you stay organized. After typing the new name, press the Enter key on your keyboard to save it. This confirms the change and updates the Worksheet tab immediately. If you ever need to rename a sheet again, you can repeat the same process at any time. Next, right-click your newly named tab. This opens a pop-up menu with several worksheet options. One of these options allows you to change the tab color, which is a helpful visual tool when you want to group related sheets or make important worksheets easier to spot. Move your mouse over Tab Color in the pop-up menu. A color selection grid will appear. From there, click your preferred color from the visual grid. As soon as you select a color, the tab will update, giving your worksheet a more organized and customized look. Color coding can be especially useful in larger workbooks where you need to identify sections quickly. That covers everything you need to know.